Welcome to Study Loop.
First, we have to calculate the predetermined overhead rate and the total cost for the patient A and patient B. Predetermined overhead rate. Predetermined fine overhead rate equals to estimated overhead cost divided by estimated number of patient days. In this case, the estimated overhead cost are $12 lakh and the estimated number of patient days is 10,000. Therefore, the predetermined overhead rate is divided by 10,000 equals to $120 per patient. For a predetermined overhead rate, the total cost for the patient A, 15,000 for direct materials, 20,000 for direct labor, and 120 into 3 equals to $360 for applied overhead. Therefore, the total cost for the patient A is $51,000. Total cost for patient $7,000. Next, we have to calculate the ICU and the other overhead rates and the total cost for patient A and patient B using two predetermined overhead rates. ICU overhead rate will be calculated estimate overhead cost estimated for ICU patient $6 lakh divided by 2,000 patient days, which is equal to $100 per patient day. ICU overhead rate is $300 per patient day. Other overhead rate equals to estimated other overhead cost divided by estimated other patient day. In this case, the estimated other overhead cost is $6 lakh and estimate of other patient days is 8,000. $1,000 divided by 8,000 $75 per patient day. Cost for patient $54,000 and total cost for patient equals to $32,750. What are insights are revealed by the staff accountant's approach? The staff accountant's approach reveals that the ICU overhead rate is higher than the other overhead rate. The ICU overhead rate is higher than other overhead rate. So this is because the ICU has a higher cost associated with the round-the-clock monitoring of the patient. This approach also reveals the patient day. In 3 patient days in the ICU incurred higher overhead costs than the patient week. The role of the staff accountant approach provides a more accurate allocation of overhead costs to patients. You understood this. Thank you.